Need to mirror your Huawei phone to a bigger screen? This video shows simple ways to cast Huawei to a laptop or TV. Method 1. Screen mirroring Huawei with MirrorShare Huawei. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Swipe down on your phone's home screen and tap the MirrorShare option. Scan for devices and select your TV. Enable screen sharing on your TV. Start mirroring your Huawei phone. Tap Disconnect to stop. Method 2. Huawei phone screen mirroring with Screen Mirror Fluent. You can use Screen Mirror to cast your Huawei phone to a computer. It lets you view and control your phone screen, play games, and manage apps easily. Step-by-step guide. Mirror Huawei screen to PC with Screen Mirror. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the Huawei Miracast app. Screen mirror on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Huawei phone to the computer via USB. A prompt will appear on the screen, from which you can select Transfer Files. Step 3. Go to Huawei's Settings, About Phone, Developer Mode option, and tap on it 7 times. Then, go to Settings. Additional settings switch on USB debugging. Step 4. Go to Screen Mirror on your computer and you will find that you can already see the content on your Huawei device on its interface. Well, you can enjoy the mirroring process. Method 3. Huawei Screen Mirroring with LetsView. Download LetsView on both your Huawei phone and PC. Connect your phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi. Open the application list on your Huawei phone. Find and select your computer name. Your Huawei screen can be automatically displayed on the computer. Method 4. Screen mirroring Huawei with HiSuite. Install HiSuite on your computer. Enable USB debugging on Huawei. Connect your phone via USB. View your phone screen in HiSuite.